generative AI and academic integrity. Gen AI tools such as ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, and Claude are easily accessible. With the ability to quickly generate text, images, video, and more, these tools are changing the way we think about content creation, work, and academic assignments. If a generative AI tool can create things so quickly, why bother doing it yourself? At Georgian College, you are expected to complete all academic work with integrity. Your professors create assignments that will help you develop skills like critical thinking and time management while meeting the learning outcomes of your course. Some programs have learning objectives that also prepare you to meet provincial and professional standards in the field you'll work in after graduation. Regardless of your program, your future employer expects that you've learned the curriculum specified to prepare for jobs in your field. If you use generative AI tools when you've been asked not to, you miss out on valuable opportunities to build the skills and knowledge you'll need in the workplace. Approaches to using generative AI in workplaces vary. Some organizations are using AI tools freely, while others may restrict employees from using anything but specific tools. In some work environments, privacy concerns outweigh the benefits, and AI tools are strictly forbidden. So why doesn't everyone just use generative AI when it seems so much faster? While generative AI tools are changing the way we work, learn, and create, they come with a significant number of trade-offs. Some generative AI tools consume significant resources, posing environmental concerns. AI tools trained largely on internet content will generate outputs that replicate any biases present in the training data, which may be problematic in your research or for the company you work for. Most generative AI tools ingest all of the information you give them and incorporate it into the system. This includes your personal data, preferences, and information you provide when you sign up on the system's website, as well as anything you ask, upload, or share with the tool. While some tools offer a free-to-use model, they often don't provide full access unless you pay for a subscription, creating issues of equitable access. What about using generative AI tool for research? In some cases, a generative AI tool could be helpful for brainstorming and starting points, but many of the tools accessible for free on the web fail to properly acknowledge their sources. They often fabricate plausible-sounding facts, data, and information. If you ask for sources, the tool will create a fake source that may sound real. Using these tools without your professor's permission and without careful evaluation of the output can result in a breach of academic integrity. You are responsible for what you hand in, including any issues the tool may have created for you. There are also copyright and intellectual property issues with many large generative AI training sets. If the system can't reliably cite the source of the information generated, it may also be violating the copyright of content creators and using the intellectual property of artists and organizations without their consent. If you provide the system with information from your professor's course materials, your textbook, sources from the library, or workplace documents, you could be violating copyright. To use generative AI tools ethically in your schoolwork, start by determining which tools your professor allows. Check your course syllabus, information in Blackboard, and the assignment itself to determine if you are permitted to use AI tools. Still not sure? Check with your professor to clarify any expectations. Make sure you properly cite the tool you use and check its output carefully to avoid academic integrity issues. Need more help? Check in with the library and learning services team.